Assembling a drawer box. Before you start assembly, collect all of the required parts for your goFlatpacks product. Remember to look at the labels on the parts to help you determine which ones you need. Here we are using the drawer bottom, the drawer back, fixing brackets and drawer sides. Lay your drawer bottom so that the pre-drilled holes along the edges are facing upwards. These holes line up with the holes on the bottom of your drawer sides. Insert the side of your drawer bottom into the ledge of the bottom brackets on the drawer sides. Align the drawer sides with the pre-drilled holes and affix using the supplied Euro screws. Be careful not to over-tighten your screws. Flip your drawer box over, and with the notches on the fixing bracket facing towards the outside of the drawer box, clip the brackets onto the drawer sides. Flip your drawer so that it is sitting on the front face and the fixing brackets are facing upwards. Pick up your drawer back panel and slide into the fixing brackets so that the bottom edge of the drawer back sits flush with the drawer bottom. Screw in the Euro screws on each end of the drawer back panel to secure in place before finishing by affixing the bottom of the drawer back panel with wood screws. Congratulations! You have assembled your goFlatpacks drawer box and are now ready to install the drawer face. Please refer to the How To section for further guidance.